Hey guys, we're doing a following directions. So if you think you're really good at following directions, you're going to do well on this today. So we have a floor plan of a royal castle. Okay. So you have directions, and you can see that you have 12 directions. Okay. And actually, really 13 if you count at the top where it says to write your name. That's also a direction. So really 13 things. So I have both sheets up on the screen right now. The one is a little bit smaller. Okay, but you need to, I don't want to do this with you really at all because I want to see who can get it correctly. So follow all 13 steps, and it's going to tell you to write things in certain rooms. Okay. Like step 1 says, when you enter the castle through the front door, you are in the living room. Label this room the living room and draw a sofa in it. So you're going to get to do some cool drawing, and then possibly I would love it if you would color it when you're done. So you have to go through the front door. It says, when you enter the castle through the front door, you are in the living room. So figure out which one of the rooms is the living room by following directions. Okay. And then when we're done, I'm going to see who can follow all 13 directions without any mistakes. And don't forget, if they tell you to draw something in there, you need to do that because that's part of the directions. So I know that every year that I do this, my kids really like it and they have a good time with it. So you have fun too, and we will see how good you are at following directions. Have fun in the castle.